Online team, I need one response. Can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? I'm joining from my personal laptop. Okay. Okay. Good to hear that. Then, what I'm planning, so today's session, I'm planning to explain programs. Listen carefully. Notes 5:30 p.m. Today, kind of some environment I'm going to help. It's not like a regular session, but because very short session I'm going to plan. Kind of some different environments actually. I'm just trying to explain. Environments. So what do you mean by that actually? Let me tell you very clearly. What exactly we can do, Till now we are writing a Python program. We are writing a program. So the first one by using Notepad actually. First one we are using Notepad, and we are using command prompt to run the example actually. Am I right or not, sir? The first one we are using Notepad, and the second one command. Second approach will be, let me help you. You can still use Notepad++ actually. Notepad++ and command prompt to run the example. I would like to explain this one. You will get an idea. So don't worry. I will show you how to install these all things. The third one will be, did I covered Google Classroom? Can I get a response from you? I'm sorry, not Google Classroom. Google Colab, did I covered actually? Did I covered Google Colab? Google Collaborator actually. All right. Then let me explain about that one too. Collaborator. Google Colab actually. The fourth one will be Jupyter. And the fifth one will be PyCharm actually. And the sixth one will be Anaconda. The seventh one will be VS Code actually. I'm sorry, we may not cover all these things today, but maybe let me just try to help you with you either, so Notepad++, Google Colab, Jupyter, PyCharm. We'll see either 3 or 4 up to time permits actually. But you should ever, these are all things. Get ready to understand. Team, if anyone joined just now, welcome to the session. Today it is not like a regular session, kind of some, though it is the weekend, I'm planning for kind of some very short session actually. Let me help you especially how to write and execute the examples in a Notepad++. The next one will be Google Collaboratory. The next one is a kind of some Jupyter, till here I'm planning to explain. We are good to go actually. Let me tell you. First environment is this one. Notepad++ and command prompt environment I'm planning actually. So please understand this. So here you should get an idea actually. Daniel, what is a Notepad++? So simple. First of all, it is advanced to Notepad actually. Advanced to Notepad is Notepad++. I'm sorry, this is not definition. This is my terminology actually. Now the next one will be, here there are more features. So you will get a more features actually, more features in Notepad++. What are all those features, I would like to explain very clearly. Please understand this one. Then I need to uninstall Notepad++. Let me uninstall. Now the first point will be, Notepad++ is not a freeware. I'm sorry. Notepad++, is open source. Open source actually. Open source in the sense it's free. It's free. What we need to do is we need to download. We need to download and install. And what exactly install? Then start working actually. Start working. Right. Before start working, ensure that you have to download. What we need to do, sir, we have to download. And you have to download and install, it's a very simple. ++. Yeah, download. You can just have to click on this one. Then here you can get kind of some either stable version, this version, anything you can take it over actually. Let me just try to choose this one. Download Notepad. This one. Let me choose actually. When you click on that link, when you click on this link, then here you will get a download Notepad++, and here is the download actually. You have to click on this one. So the moment when you click on this one, it is being getting downloading. All right, this is really very good. And take this one, and you can just try to what we need to do, Control X, and you can just try to take this one. Up. A desktop, let me create a folder. The folder name is a SWB, softwares. Let me copy here actually. Let me copy. Team, please make this one I wanted to install. So we have downloaded this one successfully. If you want, you can just try to parallelly do along with me. I mean, so not parallelly. First of all, follow this one. Let me share the link with you. Very simple, very simple. What you guys need to do, just to give a double click. Give a double click. Click on S. Click on OK. Click on Next. I agree. You don't need to read these are all things. If you are reading this one, now the time is 5:45. It may reach tomorrow 5:45 actually. So no need to read these are all things actually. I request you. Click on I agree. Record, just click on install. That's it. Good. Now, if you are click on finish and here run notepad checkbox actually, right? And you can just try to uncheck this and click on finish. Now successfully Notepad++ is installed in your laptop. Notepad++ is what exactly, sir? Installed in your laptop actually. Daniel, how to see? It's a very simple. Go to the start. Go to the start and Windows. You can just try to type here Notepad++. And here you can just have to select Notepad++ here actually. Wow. So by default, you make it kind of some new version is available. Do you want it to, download and install? No. You can click on no. That is okay. This is called as a Notepad++, sir. By default, you will get like this. Exactly actually. Right. So here, let me show you one more time. If you wanted to open, once you have downloaded, if you wanted to open Notepad++, go to the Windows, Notepad++, click on this. Here, let me write one kind of some hello world example actually. Let me create one small folder in desktop. Folder name is a programs actually. Now I wanted to write a hello world example, Python example, right? Programs. Now let's open here. Here I wanted to write one example, print. Hello. Yeah, hello. Now Control S. Otherwise, go to the file, click on save. Otherwise, click on this icon actually. Program is being getting saving. Go to the desktop. Go to the programs, and here you need to save your example demo1.py. So this one would be, Tim, let me tell you, this is still it is okay. Either here there is a one py command is available. You can just try to apply here. Python. So still let me tell you, is that one, sir? Python file actually. Even this is an optional. I'm repeating again. Control S. So here by default normal text file it will come. That is okay. You can ignore. No worries actually. Demo.py. So don't touch this one. Follow follow the steps very clearly. Go to the desktop. Click on programs. Click on save. Very good. Please make a note. The moment when you saving, here you are getting kind of some different color actually. Okay. Here these are all. It is like really more advanced actually. This is really very good, especially whenever you are working with Notepad++. Can just try to close this one. Sorry about it. Now let me just try to execute this example. The same process. Minimize this. If you wanted to execute this example, go to the programs. See, this one is the Python file. As usual, you can just try to open this command prompt and you have to run here. You have to run here. Very simple actually. Very good. Can I get a response? Did you understand? I will execute one more environment. It's a very simple. If you already know this one, thank you. And yeah. Now, Daniel, I wanted to execute one more example. Open this one. Just to give a double click here actually. With the left side click, just to give a double click here. Wow. Previously demo one. Now new file actually. Here I wanted to write values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I just wanted to write for value in values. Now click on print of what exactly, no? I'm sorry, just a value. Let me save this example, demo2.py. Wow, this is really great, sir. See, here is demo one, here is demo two. You can, you know what? You can swap very quickly. Swipe actually from demo one to demo two. You can move on very quickly actually. And that too here, the beauty with this Notepad++, and here itself is recognizing the keyboards with the blue letter actually. Kind of some differentiation. You know, this one is a quite different and this one is a quite different. This is really good to go. How to run this example, sir? Very simple. Don't worry regarding these are all options we can see later. Minimize it. Now let me run demo 2. And I would like to run this example. You'll get an idea actually. Sir, simple, sir. Later you will understand there are more features actually. Notepad++. Almost similar, but let me tell you, I'm sorry, a small comparison. This one is a notepad. This one is notepad. If you wanted to open another example, again, new notepad you have to open actually. Again, new notepad you have to open. But let me tell you, here the beauty will be demo 1, demo 2. Can I execute pandas example also? Import pandas as PD. But kind of some, let me just try to underscore CSV. Sales1.csv. Let me just try to print to TF. Save this example, demo3.py. Yeah, good. So see, successfully I have written demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. Very nice, man. Very nice actually. Minimize this one. Now, Daniel, I wanted to run demo 3. You know, you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. Error name is a file not found error actually. Very good. Why? Because you know that file is not available. That's fine. A personal PC. Now here you can run this example. You'll get an idea actually. Wow. Wow. Seriously amazing, sir. Can I get a response? Did you understand? This is about the Notepad++. Notepad plus command prompt, you understand? Notepad++ and command prompt also you understand actually. I'm sure. Now let me explain about the Google Colab actually. Let me explain about what exactly Google Colab. Try to understand this one. It is a quite interesting. Please make a note on this. Yeah. close this Notepad++, close this, and even close this and close this actually. The next environment will be somebody is telling, is this data science class actually? But you might have joined very late for today's session. Let me repeat again. Today, I told you this is not regular session, kind of some short session I'm planning. This one is belongs to data science only. You should aware these are all environments. These are all, being a data scientist, you should know these are all environments actually. I mean, a data science example, how many ways we can run actually. Who asked the question, did you understand or not, sir? I need a response from you. Is this data science class? Yeah, my name is Daniel actually. Did you recognize my voice? Can I get a response from you? I hope Wajid, I guess, who is asking. Sir, I need a response from you. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Let's move on. Okay, good. Fine then. Now the second environment will be, let me explain about the Google Colab. Google Colab actually. Google Colab I'm explaining. Team, please make a note. This is really interesting and you have to know this environment actually. What exactly happened, you know, once the data science is increasing, data science is started booming actually, is started booming, especially booming. Google company, so planned actually, Google company planned to provide a free data science environment to write and run examples, run examples actually. And here the beauty will be, we can see output also. We can see what exactly output also actually. That's what you get an idea actually. Team, I'm sure you are able to understand. So conclusion of the story, Google company itself, they are providing free environment actually. So imagine if anybody having any kind of some low end systems actually, systems. Daniel, my system is a very slow. Otherwise, if you're having slow systems actually, sir, don't worry. What you can do, you know, you can use Google Google Colab to write and run examples actually. To write and what exactly, no, sir? Run examples. Get ready to understand. Let me explain how to do that. Are you clear till now? Till now, are you clear or not, sir? I need one response. Yeah. Good. Now I would like to show you how Google Collaboratory it will work. In Google Colab, I can execute one Python example, Pandas example. Then you will get a hands-on actual. So to work with Google Colab, what we need to do, you know, to work with Google Colab. So simple. This is very simple idea actually. First step, login with Google. First step, login with Gmail. Login with, you know, so kind of some Gmail actually. Gmail. Then later follow the below steps. Actually. Below steps. Sir, with your mail ID, not my mail ID actually. Somebody is asking, share your mail ID. Sir, with your mail ID, sir. Personal mail ID, you have to log in actually. Right? Here, let me just try to log in with my very good. I'm almost logged in with the Gmail actually. Very good. We are good to go. After you log in, what you can do, you know, you can just try to come here, open Google Chrome, and here you can just try to type like, you know, Google Colab. Can somebody tell me what you need to type actually after login? So open Google Chrome, open Google actually. Then just try to type as Google Colab. What exactly, sir? Google Collaborator actually. Now once after you can just try to come here, open Google Colab. Then you will get automatically one link. That link will be collab.research.google.com. Click on this. Tim, the moment when you click on this is seriously amazing. Please make a note actually. And here you will get like this actually. Open, so you can just try to close or block these, all it is okay. Now here examples, recent, Google Drive, now these are all blah blah blah. Now I need new notebook actually. The whole process I will explain 2 times, don't worry. You will get an idea. Now click on new notebook. Click on what exactly, sir? New notebook actually. Automatically, a kind of some data science environment is getting preparing for you in a cloud actually. Very good. Very good. So now seems to be, see, look at this one. Here it is asking start coding or generate with AI actually. Ignore these are all options. And here you can just try to, what is the first hello world example? Print. See, here is the beauty. Whenever you are typing print, and you need to provide starting parenthesis and closing parenthesis, it is coming automatically actually. Very good. Inside parenthesis, you need to provide, single double quote, and closing double quote also it will come automatically actually. Team hello world, it will not come automatically. I mean, so don't expect too much actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Here you need to type hello world. Daniel, I need hello world also automatically. Please, sir, stop your overaction actually. Now you can just have to click on this one. Successfully we have written this example. Then what we need to do now, click on this one, and here you will get an output actually. Just try to see. Wow, this is kind of some chakra, it is rotating. I'm sorry for kidding. You have to please be patient. See, Google is connecting with the cloud. Here, no need to install Python. That's the beauty actually. And here immediate, wow, this is amazing, sir. Seriously amazing. See, instead of writing a, yeah. Exactly, sir. Rishi, it works like a Jupyter on. This is really beautiful. The beauty here it will be, write a program and run the program immediately, and here a green symbol indicates that this program is absolutely valid, and here itself will get an output actually. Now Daniel, I wanted to write one more program. Do one thing. Here you can just try to hover your mouse like this, and you will get a kind of some code or a text actually. Initially these are all hidden. When you're mousing, you will get this one. You can click on this one. Daniel, I need one more cell. This is called as a one cell, like this actually. Click on code this one. Okay, click on one more code actually. 2 times I clicked almost 1, 2, I got like this actually. It's okay. Daniel, I don't want this one. You can just try to come here, delete. I don't want this one. You can delete actually. We just try to write one more time. Values equals to, let us just try to write 10, 20, 30, 40. There are some autocomplete, automatically you will get some notations. You can ignore. I wanted to write for value in values, column symbol. Team, please make a note. In Google Colab, what happened, wherever column symbol came, in next line, it takes indentation automatically. It takes indentation, what exactly, sir? Automatically actually. Now print this one, and here you can just try to click on value. You no need to work on this one, don't ignore, so you can just try to ignore as of now. On this one, and here you will get output actually. Wow, hope you understand clearly, sir. Sir, did you understand? This is seriously amazing, man. I will explain one more time. Very good. Here you have written a program, and here you can enjoy the output very quickly actually. Here we have written again program actually. Here also you can enjoy the output very quickly actually. I'm sure you got a nice clarity actually. Can I get a response from you? This is something like write a program, run, execute, and see the output in one shot actually. How nice it is, man. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Online team, offline team, thank you for joining for today's session. But I need a response from you, please. Okay, good. Really good. All right, I will do one thing. I will execute one more time. I will show you one more time. You will get a more hands-on actually. Okay. Yeah, Notepad++ also, sir. We can talk that one later. I will do one thing. I can close these are all one more time, and I can help you so that you will get an idea actually. Okay. So please make a note. Let me just try to sign out. We are good to go. I'm planning to explain about Google Colab one more time. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. To work with Google Colab, what we need to do, you can just try to go to the Google. First, to log in with your Gmail. And here, next. On Google. Right, and here you need to just to type Google Colab actually. Google Colab. You'll get like this, man. Now, Daniel, I just need a new notebook. Click on new notebook, left hand side. Don't worry about these are all options. Later we can see. On window, it is being getting opening automatically. Here you can start to write a code actually. Here you can start to write a code. Can I show you how to write Pandas example? Previously I have explained Python example, right? Can I show you how to execute Pandas example? You get a hands-on. Yeah, let me show you how to execute. Let me explain how to write a Pandas example actually. How to write a Pandas example here, First to do one thing, import Pandas as PD. Very good. Keywords it is representing with some different color. Very good. Click on this one. Line by line you can execute actually. As I told you, this is Google environment setup. Pandas, Python, you no need to install. That's the beauty here actually. First line it takes some time, sir, to execute. Yeah. Now click on this one. df equals to pt.read_csv. If you want, you can execute line by line also. That is still valid. Sales1.csv. Click on this. File is not there, then you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error actually. Then Daniel, how to fix this one? How to fix this one, You can just try to select this one. First of all, where my folder is available, This is my personal laptop. There is a file, I know, Narish IT files where it is available. IT, go for any patches. Here we do have. I will do one thing. Copy this. I don't want to confuse you. Just here in somewhere. Already available. Now let me just try to load. To the Google Colab. Left hand side there is a folder. Left hand side there is a folder actually. Click on this. And please be patient. See, when you click on this one left hand side folder, sample_data will get actually. Now Daniel, you can just try to come here. You can just try to over your mouse actually. Kind of some upload. Go to the desktop. Go to the programs. Load this file. Select this file. You have to upload this file actually. This warning I can talk later. You can ignore. Automatically the file is uploaded in sample underscore data. The file is what exactly happens, sir? Uploaded actually. Very good. Sales1.csv. Now this file, I just wanted to copy the path. You can just try to, still the example will not execute actually. You will still get the same error. Then this path and this path is a different. You can just try to come here, copy the path actually, and delete this one, and you can just try to paste this path. Okay, exactly. You will get an output like this actually. Now chudandi, let's run this one. Good. You know what? Data frame is created actually with the sales1.csv. To see the data frame. Whenever you are executing a Google Colab, you can just try to go to the next line, print of df. Print of df, you can just try to run this. See, you got a successful. Can I get a response from you? Did you understand? Sir, I need response from anybody actually. So will you try Google Colab once actually? Will you try? I will be in online. Why? Because it is important actually. I will give just of so take 5 minutes. Parallel you can do actually. Take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes. And so execute pandas example, pandas example in Google Collapser, especially loading the file actually. Please let's do that. We'll get a hands on please. Team, hope you are doing actually. I may not check. Yeah, that's the beauty, sir. You no need to install explicitly anything actually. You no need to install explicitly anything. That's the beauty. Very good. Thank you for responding. Somebody is telling I have executed successfully. Very good. Very good. Shafina, thank you. Thank you. And Sanjay Kumar, I hope really very good. That's what you need to understand. These are all environments also. I request you, Charan, Rishi, I request you. It would be really good practice. You have to execute all these examples in a Google Collaboratory. That would be really great. You have to do this kind of practice actually. Okay. Good. I'm sure what are the things we done, maybe if I explain another environment, I'm sure we done Notepad++ and Google Colab actually. Google Colab is a very important. And Jupyter I can explain in a next session actually. Meanwhile, let us execute other guys also, please. Guys, I wanted to respond from everyone. Are you done? First, please share your mail ID. I will give an access. Share your mail ID. Overall, don't you have an access actually? I mean, Google Classroom should have an access. Let me give an access, please. Download the material. Yeah, sir, when you're working with this one, you should have a good proper internet connection actually. You should have a good internet connection. Otherwise, it keep on connecting. Yeah, you're right. Please, boss, kindly please cross verify. I have given an access for you. You have to accept and you have to join. So kindly please exit from that group. Kindly please exit from that group. And I have given an access now. I request you, if you really all of you are done actually in this Google Classroom. So let us just try to end up with the session for today. A short session, as I told you before starting the session. But even I'm sure I can explain other environments also. But definitely Jupyter, Python, it takes some little time for your better understanding actually. Okay. So we done for today's session. Shivik Sharma, I already updated to the admin. Maybe, so he told he will reach you out actually. Let me take the snapshot of your, response actually. Hold on. Why? Because, this snapshot, it will be really helpful for me. Even just try to. Jupyter, PyCharm, both you should know, sir. Jupyter, PyCharm, both you should aware actually. It will be really very good to know. Definitely, I will add you. Definitely, please. A short session, sir. One small announcement. Hold on. One small announcement. We do have in holidays. I hope you know. So we are having holidays from Monday to Thursday actually. Again the Sunday will be, this is from Naresh Shetty. So we are having holidays from Monday to Thursday. This announcement is from Naresh Shetty admin actually. Please make a note, NIT admin, and the point will be, we will connect again. We will again connect. We will connect again on Friday. This is again online mode actually. Online mode. Maybe on Saturday I will be available for offline session especially. Session, it's a short one actually. Thank you for joining everyone. I hope you understand today's session. Kindly please practice over Google Classroom actually. And for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. Tomorrow no session, sir. No session tomorrow.